Hey everyone, Rick here from Rick's Review Hub, and today I'm diving into the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3, a beast of a portable power station you can grab right now on Amazon. If you're looking for a whole home backup solution or a reliable power source for RV camping, off-grid adventures, or emergencies, this thing is a game changer. I've been testing it for weeks, and I'm excited to share the pros, cons, and why I think it's worth your investment. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what makes the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 stand out. This power station packs a massive 4096 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery. That's enough juice to run a refrigerator for a full day, power a 3-ton central AC for hours, or keep your essential home appliances humming during a blackout. With a 4,000-watt output, scalable to 12,000 watts with X-Boost, it can handle 99% of household devices. Think water pumps, dryers, even EV chargers. I plugged in a 1,800-watt air fryer, a 1,500-watt space heater, and a toaster all at once, and it didn't even flinch. The ability to deliver both 120 and 240-volt output is a huge plus, especially for heavy appliances or RV camping, where you need that 30-amp RV port. Another big win is its expandability. Out of the box, you get 4 kilowatt-hours, but you can add extra batteries to scale up to a whopping 48 kilowatt-hours. That 48 kilowatt-hours is enough to power a standard home for 2 to 4 days, depending on your usage. I love how EcoFlow designed this for whole home backup. You can wire it into your home's electrical panel with the Smart Home Panel 2, which supports up to 12 circuits and switches over in just 10 milliseconds. During a recent storm, I hooked it up to my fridge, lights, and Wi-Fi router, and it kept everything running smoothly for hours without a hitch. Charging versatility is another highlight. The Delta Pro 3 supports 7 unique charging methods, including AC outlets, solar panels, gas generators, and even EV charging stations. With a max solar input of 2,600 watts, it can recharge from 0 to 80% in under 50 minutes using high-power solar or combined methods. I tested it with a 400-watt solar panel, and it was sipping sunlight like a pro, making it perfect for off-grid setups. The EcoFlow app is a nice touch too, super intuitive, letting you monitor power usage, control outlets, and even set charging schedules from your phone. The build quality is top-notch. It's got an IP65 rated battery, meaning it's dust and water resistant, and the unibody frame feels like it could survive a war zone. At 113 pounds, it's heavy, but the telescoping handle and rugged wheels make it manageable to move around. Plus, it's whisper quiet, operating at just 30 decibels, so you can keep it indoors without waking the neighbors. EcoFlow also backs it with a 5-year warranty, which gives serious peace of mind. Now let's talk cons, because no product is perfect. First, the price. At around $36.99, it's a hefty investment. If you add expansion batteries or the Smart Home Panel 2, you're looking at $5,000 or more. For smaller homes or lighter needs, something like the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus might be enough, and it's half the price. The weight is another downside. 113 pounds isn't exactly backpack friendly. I tried lifting it into my SUV, and let's just say it's a 2-person job. Also, while the app is great, I noticed occasional Wi-Fi connection drops, which was annoying when trying to monitor remotely. Lastly, some users on forums mentioned issues with high-power appliances like industrial welders, so if you've got super heavy equipment, double-check compatibility. Despite these drawbacks, the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 is a powerhouse that delivers on its promises. It's reliable, versatile, and built to last with 4,000 charge cycles, enough for 11 years of daily use. Whether you're prepping for hurricanes, running an RV campsite, or just want to cut your electric bill with solar, this thing has you covered. The pros far outweigh the cons, especially if you need a whole home solution. I've tested a dozen power stations, and this one's at the top of my list for its capacity, smart features, and seamless home integration. If you're ready to power up, I highly recommend grabbing the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3. You can find it on Amazon, and I've got a link below for the best pricing plus special promotional deals through Rick's Review Hub. It's worth every penny for the peace of mind and flexibility it offers. Before you go, check out our other videos on the channel for reviews of similar products like the Anker SOLIX F3800 and Goal Zero Yeti Pro 4000. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe. It really helps us keep the reviews coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.